If your iPhone automatically increases brightness when you open Instagram, it could be due to the app triggering an adjustment in brightness settings for videos or photos. So, firstly, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Inside Settings, scroll down and look for the Accessibility option available there and simply tap on the Accessibility. Now, inside the Accessibility, simply tap on the Display and Text Size option available there. Now once inside the display and text size, scroll down and toggle auto brightness to off. If you have it toggled on, then simply toggle this off. After you do so, go back to the settings again. Now once inside the settings, tap on the display and brightness option available there and make sure you are using the dark mode. So after you follow all these steps, simply restart your iPhone and use it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.